Hi, Kathleen.
Hi, how are you?
I'm really good.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. And you're with Group Health.
I'm with Group Health Cooperative.
And Group Health, well-known organization in Seattle for having great people systems and organizational systems to get everyone on board. You've been here at the Coaching Summit now for a day and a half.
Day and a half.
What's on your mind? What are you thinking about coaching or what have you?
Well, one of my questions is when you're looking at something like Lean and you're looking at Six Sigma, and you're looking at how they're married together versus how they're looked at separately. What's your thought on the whole going through the black belt training along with the Lean journey? So I've been working on my Lean journey since about '88, and I'm trying to figure out whether or not I'm in healthcare, whether or not it would make sense to also put some energy into going towards my black belt to really understand.
Okay, so what do I think about that? A couple of thoughts about that are, I think, so effectiveness in Lean or effective coaching, I think you got kind of at least a couple of sides of it. One is how you can work with people and understand where they are and the people side of things in terms of development. The other is the actual problem solving itself. So I think there are technical things, technical skills that we need to understand. We heard today from Swim Nader talking about Coach Wooden's philosophies. And he talked about deep knowledge of the subject matter being important. And I agree with that. So in addition to the soft skills of how to engage people and listen and understand where they are and that dimension of coaching, I think we need technical skills as well. So from that standpoint, I think that sort of deep learning is important about problem solving. Whether or not belts are required for that, I think, is a separate question as well. And the point is the learning or the belt itself. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Is the going through the process of Six Sigma? Would you say that that's more deep into the analytical and the process, or versus the Lean going through the coaching and the bringing people along? Do you think that the Six Sigma teaching actually gets you more into the deeper of the analytics and the questioning of the numbers and of course the standard deviation? I mean, what's your thoughts on that in terms of like the data analysis and?
Well, I think, so Lean practice has within it the same sort of disciplined problem solving, whether it's using statistics or it's a matter of finding out the facts of the situation and doing a deep analysis of cause and effect. So it has within it the same sort of problem analysis, whether it's Six Sigma, old-fashioned SPC, or there are other problem analysis tools out there, Kepner, Trago, Shana, and many others. So I think in some way or another we do need to have those deep problem solving skills. But that's right there at the heart of Lean as well. So you don't actually have to go outside of Lean and PDCA to find that. You can find it right there inside PDCA. I think when you think about the belts, one thought I'm always reminded of is the movie The Wizard of Oz, and if you remember, there was the lion and there was the Tin Man and the Scarecrow, and they were all going to the wizard to get something. And I think when it came to the let's see, who was it that needed a brain?
The no.
The lion needed courage.
The Scarecrow. No, the Scarecrow.
Needed a
Heart, right?
I think the Tin Man wanted a heart. The Scarecrow, I think, needed a brain. And what did the wizard say to him? He said, "I can't give you a brain. I can give you a diploma." So I kind of think sometimes a lot of certifications, that's what they're about, is the diploma. And the point is the brain and the thinking behind it, really. And so however we can get those skills, that's the important thing. That's the way I think of it anyway. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's actually a really good analogy. Wizard of Oz is used for so many different analogies in business school of what is it really actually saying,
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
But, David Verbal's, his class on really helping people become problem-solving thinkers was phenomenal. And I think...
I agree. So I think that problem-solving skill, thinking and skill is absolutely critical. So.
Right. And understand, one of the things that was such a huge takeaway for me was that you don't necessarily have to be a content expert in what they're trying to solve. You have to listen to the content of how they're problem solving to know what maybe they're missing or skipping in the PDCA. And I thought that the visuals that he gave, it was really phenomenal.
Great. You can become sort of a problem-solving process expert without necessarily knowing the details of each problem that you're assisting or coaching someone to solve.
Right. Exactly. All right.
Okay. Thank you.